পৰম শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ বিহুপ্ৰেমী ৰাইজ, নবহাগৰ এই ক্ষণত সকলো ৰাইজলৈ
Morning. Today again we are starting. Today again we are doing exercise 2.2 class 8. The question start like that. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? We have to find the present ages of Rahul and Harun. So how to find? We don't know what are their present ages, and it is given ratios of their ages. Whenever ratios are given, you have to take x. So first you take the present age like this. Let the present age of Rahul be 5x. Rahul be 5x, and the present age of Harun be 7x. It is given 4 years later. 4 years later means after 4 years. So first we have to find their ages 4 years later. So 4 years later, the age of Rahul will be 5x plus 4 years. Later means after 4 years. And 4 years, YRS means years. 4 years later, the age of Harun will be 7x plus 4 years. By question part or according to question, it is given 4 years later the sum of their 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 56 years. So this is the age of Rahul 4 years later, and this is the age of Harun 4 years later. 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 56 years given. So 5x plus 7x, if you add 5x plus 7x, if you add together you will get 12x. 4 plus 4, 8, 56. First we have to transfer constant term to the right side. 56, this is plus, the start become minus 8. 12x, take one, 16 minus 8 is your 8, remain 4, so 48. X equal to 48 by 12. Divide 48 by 12. If you divide, you will get 4. X equal to 4. The value of x is 4, so you will write like this. Therefore, the present age of Rahul. We have taken present age of Rahul as 5x, so 5 in place of x you put 4. 5 4 are 20 years. 20 years. And the present age of Harun equal to, the present age of Harun is 7x given, so 7 in place of x you put 4, 7 4s are 28 years. Next question, the number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total strength, class strength? Total class strength means total number of students in the class. Okay, so let me solve this question. We don't know what is the total strength, that means total number of students in the class, but the ratios of boys and girls are given 7:5. So first we'll take like this, let the number of boys be, ratio of boys is 7, so 7x, and the number of girls be 5x. Now by question or according to question, same meaning. It is given like this, the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. This is the number of boys, so number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So number of girls is 5, more means plus 8. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. 7x, this is plus, this is, if you bring this x this in the left side, it will become minus 5x equal to 8. 7 minus 5 is twice x equal to 8. X equal to 8 by 2. 2 4 is 8. X equal to 4. So this is the value of x. So how to find the total strength? Therefore the total strength means total number of students in the class. Total strength of the class equal to number of boys plus number of girls. Number of boys is 7x, number of girls is 5x. 7 plus 5, 12x. 12, value of x is 4, you put here 4. So 4 12 is 48. This is the total class strength. Today's last question. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? Okay, so what is the number? Let me solve this question. Solution. It is given a rational number is such that, we don't know what is the rational number, so that like this, we'll take let the rational number be, we'll take x, let the rational number be x. Okay, now by question or according to question, same meaning. It is given like this, when you multiply it by 5 by 2, that means it means a rational number x. If you multiply this rational number x by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product and add 2 by 3, you will get minus 7 by 12. You to find the number. Find the number means you to find the value of x. So how to do? 5 by 2x equal to minus 7 by 12. This is plus. If you transfer to the right, it will become minus. If you transfer constant term 2 by 3 to the right, it will become minus. Okay. Then you take LCM in the on the right side 12 and 3. Here denominator is 12, here denominator is 3. You can divide this 12 by 3. When the greater number is divisible by the smaller number, the greater will be the LCM. If you divide this LCM by this 12 one time, so 1 7 is 7 minus 7 minus. If you divide this 12, this LCM by this 3, 4 times, 3 4 is 12, 4 times gone. So by that 4 you multiply this to numerator. 4 2 is 8. 5x by 2, both are negative root to 8, minus 15 by 12. Look, we can cancel state, okay? We can cancel state like this. State you can cancel. So 5 3 is 15. Again 2 6 is 12. So x equal to what? Minus 3 by 6. Again you can cancel this one. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. X equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is the required number. Therefore the required number equal to minus 1 by 2. This is the answer. This is the last question. Okay, rest will do tomorrow.